Welcome to Talk Learner. Get ready to test your English skills and learn something new today. Let's find out your English level based on your score. Are you ready? Cool. Good. Let's start the test.
Robert greet us at the cafe in Houston. A. Meeting. B. To meet. C. Met. Amanda enjoys basketball on weekends. A. Play. B. Playing. C. To play. Christopher decided a new car while in Phoenix. A. Buy. B. Buying. C. To buy. You wear a seatbelt while driving in Texas. A. Must. B. May. C. Can. They be at the concert already. The traffic was light. A. Must. B. Should. C. Can. If that tomorrow, we will cancel the baseball game. A. Rains. B. Rained. C. Raining. If Robert more careful, he wouldn't have lost his wallet. A. Was. B. Had been. C. Were. If Amanda taller, she would play professional basketball. A. Were. B. Was. C. Had been. A group of students going on a trip to Chicago. A. Is. B. Are. C. Were. Neither Robert nor Amanda ready for the meeting. A. Is. B. Are. C. Were. Each of the houses in Phoenix a swimming pool. A. Has. B. Have. C. Having. The dogs in the park barking loudly. A. Was. B. Is. C. Are. Amanda drives when it's raining. A. Careful. B. Carefully. C. More careful. Christopher is a runner than Robert. A. Quickly. B. More quick. C. Quicker. Robert speaks than his younger brother. A. Fluently. B. Fluent. C. Most fluent. The teacher who lives in Houston very friendly. A. Is. B. Are. C. Were. I know a cafe serves the best coffee in Phoenix. A. Which? B, who. C, whom. Amanda met a man car was stolen last week. A, which. B, whose. C, whom. The movie we watched last night was exciting. A, who. B, that. C, whom. Robert is sitting the sofa. A, on. B, in. C, at. Amanda lives Chicago, Illinois. A, on. B, in. C, at. The train will arrive 7 p.m. sharp. A, in. B, on. C, at. Christopher walked the park yesterday evening. A, across. B, into. C, at. Amanda said she call later. A, will. B, would. C, should. Robert told me he already eaten. A, had. B, has. C, have. Christopher asked if I seen the new stadium in Houston. A, have. B, had. C, has. Amanda said that she'd a Phoenix the following week. A, goes. B, would go. C, will go. You to bring your ID to the exam. A, should. B, must. C, could. Robert ran a marathon when he was younger. A, must. B, can. C, could. If Amanda earlier, she would have caught the bus. A, left. B, had left. C, leaves. Unless Christopher harder, he will fail the test. A, study. B, studied. C, studies. If it snow tomorrow in Chicago, schools may close. A, should. B, does. C, do. Amanda asked me what time the movie A, starts. B, started. C, starting. Robert said that he in Houston since 2020. A, lives. B, lived. C, had lived. Christopher wondered if Amanda the new book. A. Read. B. Had read. C. Reads. The children playing soccer when it began to rain. A. Was. B. Were. C. Is. Neither the manager nor the employees aware of the rule. A. Was. B. Were. C. Are. Amanda is the singer in the group. A. Good. B. Better. C. Best. Robert runs more than Christopher. A. Fast. B. Faster. C. Fastest. The pizza we ordered last night was delicious. A. That. B. Who. C. Whom. Amanda is the person who helped me in Phoenix. A. Which. B. Who. C. Whose. The car Robert bought is very expensive. A. Which. B. Whose. C. Whom. Amanda sat the window during the flight. A. On. B. At. C. By. Christopher is arriving Friday evening. A. On. B. In. C. At. Robert went to the grocery store foot. A. On. B. At. C. By. Amanda said she studied harder next semester. A. Will. B. Would. C. Shall. Robert mentioned that he's seen the Grand Canyon. A. Had. B. Has. C. Have. Amanda asked me if I helped her with homework. A. Can. B. Could. C. May. Christopher promised him with the project. A. Help. B. Helping. C. To help. Robert suggested to the new restaurant in Chicago. A. Go. B. Going. C. To go.
Share it with your friends, and ask them to participate in this test. Comment your achieved scores and subscribe for more. Bye-bye.